Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to request approval from the owner for a bid on a maintenance repair. To get started, we're going to go over to the maintenance tab on the left side menu, and we're going to locate the maintenance ticket that we want to get that bid approved for. And from here, you're going to see the option on the upper right corner that says owner approval, not requested, request approval. An owner approval is, as a property manager, you can request that an owner approve a cost or expenditure associated with a repair or replacement at one of their properties that you manage on their behalf. Many times, owners that you manage rental properties for are going to have a dollar limit that if a repair is going to exceed that amount, they want to be involved in the approval process. Whether that amount is 500 or 1,000, whatever it is, once you get a repair cost that exceeds that amount, you have the option to get approvals from the owner by submitting bids to the owner for approval. You can go ahead and upload each of those bids here and enter the dollar amount and send that request to the owner. We'll go ahead and do that right now. All right, so we have successfully uploaded each of the bids and entered the dollar amount of each one, and now we can go ahead and select Send Request. Great, we have sent off the request to the owner, Kayla H., and you can see that the request is pending. Once the owner approves the request and selects the bid that they want to proceed with, this will change to active or approved, and we'll get notified of that change as well so that we can go ahead and schedule the work to be completed on this particular maintenance request. And that is how easy it is to request approval from the owner for a bid on TenantCloud. You can get started by going to TenantCloud.com and click sign up and start your free trial today.